wake up early. I wake up early.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
I make coffee every morning. I make coffee every morning.
I eat breakfast with my family. I eat breakfast with my.
I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus.
I start my work now. I start my work now.
I buy fresh vegetables. I buy fresh vegetables.
I watch TV in the evening. I watch TV in the evening.
I read English every day. I read English every day.
I go to sleep at night. I go to sleep at night.